pounds, The Undertaker!
I've been looking forward to this one.
Approaching the ring, weighing 323 pounds, Kane!
Oh, what a matchup this is going to be. King, how did you pick a winner in this one? Kane versus his brother, The Undertaker. I have no idea and sometimes don't even care who wins. I just love to watch these two monsters tear each other apart. He was one step ahead on that one. Powerful slam. Undertaker shots finding a home. A textbook reversal. Can he follow up? Oh, big elbow. Let's do it. Well, The Undertaker is conjuring up some good momentum here. A clothesline out of nowhere. Now taking a moment to feel those ribs in King, it appears that there may be some internal damage. It looks like it. Those ribs have been targeted so many times over the course of this match, I wouldn't be shocked that one or two may be cracked right now. Great reversal. Here we go with The Undertaker. Reversal. He was able to reverse that. He gets out of trouble there. What a crushing leg drop. We all know there's nothing like family, but when you talk about Kane's tag team with his brother, The Undertaker, you're talking about maybe the most powerful team in the history of this business. Without a doubt. It makes total sense that together, Kane and Undertaker are known as the Brothers of Destruction. Undertaker is so destructive. Oh, wow. Nice reversal there. He almost took his head off with that lariat. Avoids the impact there.
No, sir.
Way too experienced to get caught
Get
by
up,
that.
please.
Michael, you talked about Kane and the awesome team with his brother, The Undertaker. Now, I guess it's true what they say. Nobody fights like family when it's two family members fighting each other, or when it's two family members united against a common enemy. When they're on the same page, the Brothers of Destruction are unstoppable.
Oh, bad choice.
Oh, man. Kane is really taking control.
Crap.
Can't believe it. The Undertaker is getting completely dominated here, people. A counter by the dead man. Well, you've got to respect Undertaker's cat-like quickness. He can pounce at any time. Oh, The Undertaker! The Undertaker! Uh-oh. He's in position, ready to strike.
Pray to God he doesn't reverse this.
You know, King, I said it earlier, but I can't stop thinking how frightening it must be. Ready, man, The Undertaker. What a maneuver. Wow, here we see it from this angle. Undertaker going for the big kick down at 2.5. How do you do that? Watch it. Ooh. The tide has turned again. They're going to fight to the end. Wow, can't believe The Undertaker got out of that one. This man. Oh, man, what a shot. Oh, wait. Nice reversal. Cover, cover. And he kicks out. These are great competitors. Great, tremendous gladiators here at WWE. And now. The Undertaker is a force within the ring. After all of these shots to the head, I've got a feeling that Soup's going to be on his diet for the foreseeable future. And you can hear the fans willing him onward. And there's the reversal. Oh! Oh, out of nowhere! And he's toast. We got to cover. And Kane forces his way out.
No, none of that comeback cheese.
Taker reverses it. The big red machine's gone down. That should do it right there.
That kick out cheese. The difficulty cheese.
What's he going to do here? What's he going to do here? Just trying to goad his opponent into making a mistake here. Kane with the excellent move to get out. Wow! Cannot believe the Undertaker got onto that one. Ouch! Oh, man! Uh-oh, look at this! Oh! Trying to put him away! Last ride, Undertaker's done it. He's begging for it.
Come on. Please don't reverse this.
What a
Oh.
reversal. The damage has definitely been done. Now it may just be a matter of time.
Oh no.
Lateral press. And they kick out at 2. Oh, wow! Oh, did you see that? That leg was a cover. Kane was very close to being pinned there. Great move. He saw that one coming. And he gets out of the way. Great reversal. Undertaker's not playing around. And he's heading back in. And we're going back between the ropes. Oh, out of nowhere! Undertaker with a reversal. Well, it looks like I'm not the only one who didn't see that one coming. Oh, that's devastating. The big red monster gets out of the way of that one. You know, he can really move that big frame quickly. Oh!
Well done.
Oh, there it is! Whoa, trying to put him away. That's it. He's done. Hey!
Not reversing this one.
That's it. He's out. Hey, one more time just in case you missed it. This could do it. 2, 3. The Undertaker puts it away. The Undertaker with a tremendous win. You want to talk about incredible, high-impact sports entertainment? Check out what happened during this match.
He is now resting in pieces.
Here is your winner, The Undertaker.
A lot of aggression there.
Well, that was just a one-sided beatdown.